Answering a significant legal question, the Honorable Allahabad High Court has explained the position of a wife's claim for maintenance against her minor husband. Honorable Court, while hearing a criminal revision petition, held that an application under Section 125 CRPC is indeed maintainable against a husband who is minor. However, the Honorable Court clarified that the legal liability to pay maintenance arises only after the husband attains the age of majority. The Honorable Court accordingly modified a family court order, reducing the maintenance amount and shifting the date from which it becomes payable. Honorable Court first addressed the maintainability of the application. The court analyzed the Family Court Act 1984 and observed that for proceedings under Chapter 9 of CRPC, the court's own provisions apply. The Honorable Court noted, in the provisions sections contained in Chapter 9 CRPC, it has nowhere been mentioned that the proceedings under Sections 125 and 128 CRPC cannot be initiated against a minor, but can be initiated through his guardian. Based on this, the Honorable Court held that the application to be maintainable. However, the Honorable Court then explained the husband's liability. Accepting the High Court certificate to determine his age, the Honorable Court found that the husband had attained majority in the present case on January 1st, 2021. The judgment stated, this court has also room to doubt that a minor person himself dependent upon his parents, and in any case it cannot be presumed that he has sufficient means to maintain himself. However, as and when he attains the age of majority, that is 18 years of age, he has to bear his responsibility in order to maintain his legally wedded wife and his real minor daughter. The said ratio has been held in the case of Abhishek Singh Yadav versus State of UP and others, Criminal Revision number 55 of 2024.